everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, man. I know it's a different look, you feel me? But I'm gonna talk to y'all about that later. Matter of fact, tomorrow's video, not even tomorrow, the next video after this one is gonna explain to y'all why. You know, I've been missing, feel me? But y'all know, man. I'm gonna tell y'all everything tomorrow. But guys, today's my cut day. I'm gonna cut down the wolf. I think it's been about 12 weeks, 11 to 12 weeks, one of those. I'm gonna cut down the wolf today. My appointment is actually at 10 o'clock. It is currently 8:36. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's 8:36, y'all. And I think it's about 15, 20 minutes away, the place. So I'm gonna go wash my hair real quick, cause you know you can't get no cut without washing your hair. You feel me? All the product that's in your hair, they gotta go before you mess up the clippers, and then Clutch it, feel me? My barber, he gonna be mad at you feel me? It ain't gonna be my fault, cause I'm telling y'all, before you go to Clutcher, I'm gonna have this link in my description. So before you book your appointment with Clutcher, wash your hair, man. Because you're gonna mess up his clippers and he gonna take it out on me. He gonna be like, yo, your subscribers mess up my clippers, bro. You gotta get me some new ones. So wash your hair, alright? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I know I look a little crusty right now, you feel me? I just woke up, feel me? Brush my teeth. Hop in the shower, wash my hair. As a matter of fact, today's gonna be a different wash day because I do not have time to wash my hair and style and wait for it to dry. Because by that time it'll be 12 o'clock and my appointment is at 10 and Clutch are gonna be mad at me because, yeah. So today's wash, I'ma just scrabble and let my hair dry on this one. I'm not gonna wear a do-rag. Y'all gonna see the outcome. But since I'm cutting off the wolf today, it ain't even gonna matter because the waves are still gonna be under it. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get right into this.
Rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Before we get to this video, I'm gonna show y'all how much hair I've accumulated over this wolf, alright? It's not that much, man. Yo, this don't even look like no 11 weeks wolf, bro. I think this is a 10 weeks wolf, man. I probably lied just so I can make y'all think I'm more than this long. But y'all been in the journey, man. Y'all know it's been like 10, 11 weeks. I think it's probably been even about 12 weeks. I don't know, man. I stopped counting. But yeah, y'all, man, this is what the wolf looking like. I'm about to just do a little squibble wash because nobody got time to be washing everything, you feel me? I look a little crazy doing this, but just showing y'all how much hair I have. There it is. That's all the hair. Yeah, it looks decent. But now I'm about to wash it and cut it all off. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. It's still a little wet. But I know I told y'all you can't have any products in your hair. But Clutcher, I ain't about to go get a cut with my hair all dry, you feel me? I just added some shampoo. I didn't have time to condition because if I would have conditioned, I would have to wait 30 minutes in order to rinse it out. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add a little bit of the 2-6 King Wavy oil, hair growth oil in my hair, just so my hair won't be dry, okay? I don't want my hair to be dry and dry looking and stuff after I just washed it. Alright, so I put a little bit, just a little bit. Just to add that shine, you feel me? And that's it. I don't want to add too much to the point where it's just like, oh man, clip is gonna get messed up. I'm gonna put it right back. So this is, well, on my other stuff. Little brushes. And up here, this is where I put my hair care products and stuff. You know me? So, yeah, y'all, so I'm dressed and ready. It's, what time is it? It's 9:02, so I have a little bit of time before I actually go get the cut. I'm gonna leave at 9:30 because I like to be there a little early. So I'm gonna go get something to eat, just a little something light to eat, and then I'll head to the barbershop and see what else we do along the way. But yeah, y'all, let's get it. Alright guys, so I went and got some apples and a banana. Alright, so I'm just gonna eat one apple and then the banana, and of course drink my water. Just give me a little bit of energy before the cut, and after the cut I'm gonna have like a real breakfast, like something a little heavier than this. But yeah man, we are on our way to the barbershop right now. Just made it here. I did not have to look around for parking. Came here, found parking. It's early, 10 o'clock. Let's get it. Now I gotta put some change in the parking meter, you know, just to not get no ticket.
Guys, what's up? I have the biggest giveaway. It's gonna be the newest Xbox. It's a digital version. I'm giving it away at 5,000 on Instagram, and my Instagram is Clutch the Barber. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, it's all yours. So check it out. The easiest giveaway ever. So
like a tourist car, like a Toyota Corolla or some shit. Some shit that's
So what happened
like
was
another 150 or some shit. Yeah.
Get a frame, so they can do it in frame.
Let me tell my partner that. Hold on. Yo, let me tell her that.
Y'all know what happened, but he don't yet. I did a washing style right this morning, so I ain't have time, so.
Alright.
Yo, I'm gonna cut the wolf off today, man. I ain't have time for one comb, so I'm gonna try to comb it back in place. So I just got done with the cut. You know, y'all remember this morning I did a wash, not a washing style, and it kind of bit me in the butt, you feel me? It didn't come out as I wanted to. So I'm gonna show you guys when I get home what the outcome looked like and why the washing style is important for waivers to keep progressing. All right, so I'm gonna get something to eat. It's 11:37. I'm gonna go get some breakfast and I'm gonna go home and show you guys the results. So stay tuned. All right guys, so I just got some, this is 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg, home fries, and 2 wheat toast. All right guys, so we have made it back home, okay? I mean, I'm not happy with how the washing style came out, you feel me? But I knew what I was getting myself into when I didn't do a washing style. That's why I tell you guys, washing style is made for waivers. That's what us waivers gotta do. We gotta do washing styles. And what happened when I didn't do a washing style? I lost my wage. Y'all wanna see? Look at this. Bro, where my waves at? They not in there. I know that for sure. They definitely not in there. Alright? You see what I mean? Alright, so look, I just washed my hair and let it out, and I did not style it. The styling part is very important. That's when you lay your hair down back in position, put your do-rag on and rinse it out so that your waves can stay in place. And I didn't do that this morning because I was in a, kind of like in a rush, and I didn't want no problems with clutching, you feel me? So I had to wash my hair, you feel me? Had to. Cause like I said, if you don't wash your hair before you get your hair cut, you will mess up the clippers, and that's not, that's a loss of money for the barbers. They spend a lot of money on clippers. So, just wash your hair before you get your hair cut. But big shout out to Clutcher, man. It was a dope reaction when I showed him that my hair was all messed up. I didn't have time to lay it down. It was a good reaction from him. But he's still doing the Xbox giveaway. If you guys have not followed him on Instagram yet, I think he's at 1,400 followers. And he needs 5,000 followers on Instagram and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in order to give that Xbox Series S away. I believe it's a Series S. So y'all go do that, man. Y'all go follow Clutcher. I'm gonna have his Instagram link and his YouTube link down in my description. And also, as you all know, big 2-6 gang in the building, man. If y'all want y'all 2-6 King Wavy products such as do-rags, oils, moisturizers, brushes, all that, man. Everything that you need for your hair, all that is linked in my description. Don't forget to use the discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off your 2-6 King Wavy orders, purchases, whatever you call it. Just go get your hair care products from 2-6 King Wavy, man. If you're not using 2-6 King Wavy products, what you doing? Come on, man. Click that link in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. Go do that right now. My hair looks a little crazy right now. Nothing that a brush session cannot fix. I'm gonna do a little brush session tonight before I go to sleep. Another one tomorrow morning to lay my hair down fully and then get my waist back in place, man. And I highly appreciate you guys for 200,000 subscribers, man. Really, really appreciate you. I'm happy. And yeah, thank you guys for watching once again. Don't forget to leave a like, comment if you're new to my channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. Let's get to 300K, man. Roll to 300K. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm out of here. Peace.